Even as a child, bringing different worlds together and helping them communicate came naturally to Kerstin Höfle. Her vision was an effortless exchange of information, which included every element. Yes, every single one of them. Today, she works on finding ways to network all the different machines and systems involved in the value creation process, despite their wide variety.
Riesige Vielfalt.
As an innovative player, KUKA's ecosystem seamlessly combines productive OT worlds with intelligent IT worlds and big data. Flexible production and new business models, everything becomes feasible and measurable. Looks like we were born for Industry 4.0.
Orange Intelligenz.
The KUKA stories, now at KUKA.com.